are going to be looking at how to develop crowdfunding. Example of this kind of script is PnixFund. So please use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this script. Let's look at the front end, how the script is going to look like after developing it. Now this is how it's going to look like. Very beautiful. So after developing it, this is how it's going to look like. Don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. Then next I go to my C panel. For my C panel, I go to my file manager. On my file manager, I go to my subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. I have already uploaded my script. Next I'm going to extract it. Let me extract files. So next I'm going to click on close, open the extracted file. I will going to select or then move them to the root folder. Move files. I click on back. So next I will go back to my C panel to create my database. So let me scroll down. I'm going to my database. Manage my databases. So let me name my database as PNIX database. Let me copy it. Then next I click on create database. Successfully created my database. So next I click on go back. After creating my database, next I'm going to create the user. Let me scroll down to create the user. Yes, I name it as this. Next I click on create user. Successfully created my user and my database. Next I'm going to add the user to the database. Let me scroll down to add the user to the database. I will make sure I select the one I just created. Next I click on add. I will give her privileges. Scroll down to make changes. Successfully added. So let me copy my username. Yes. I go back to my file manager. So I come back to my file manager. So next I go to my main. Then .tmv. I'm going to edit my .tmv. Edit. Next, database, DB database. Let me put it here. That's database username. Okay. That's my this thing here. Let me edit it. This is what I use. That's the database name. Then next I click on save changes. After that, let me go back to my C panel. This time around I'm going to PHP my admin under my databases. Yes, databases, PHP my admin. I open this. The database I just created is this. Next, I'm going to import my database SQL. Choose file. So here is my database.sql. I click on open, scroll down to import. Successfully imported. Now let me go back to my file manager. Click on back. Let me click on back. Then next I copy my subdomain name, open a new tab, then paste it there, enter. I have successfully uploaded or installed my script. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. And to install your script, please use the IAM link in the description to IAM. Thank you.